And I know that you've been waiting for it, I'm waiting too. Girls so weird, stay clear, I'm living drama free. I'm love for real. Hey guys, so as I was kind of just laying in my bed, I thought to myself, why don't I just get up and film a get ready with me? I know I look a mess right now. I look kind of crusty, my lips are really dry. Part of the reason is because I'm on Accutane, and it's just, I'm on month 6, still not that much progress. I have body acne, so it's not on my face. But yeah, so if you guys are interested in kind of seeing my transformation, then keep watching. This is not cute. Quick little story time. Last night I woke up at 5 a.m. to take off my contacts, and I kept trying to take them off, but it wasn't working. And then I looked in the mirror and I noticed I didn't have my contacts in. I was just trying to like take off my eyeballs basically. But now I'm looking inside my contact case and there's nothing in there, so I'm just so confused. Where are my contacts? Right now my skincare routine only consists of 2 items. Even though this is kind of like my lazy summer routine, I still need to do a skincare routine. So I've been taking this eye gel. I got this from Amazon during Prime Day. So yeah, I have no idea if it works, but yeah, I got like some fine lines from like being, oh my god, from being super dry. Now I'm using this face cream from Mix Easy. I've been really liking this. Usually I have to reapply moisturizer about 3 times a day because like I'm on month 6 of my treatment, so I'm getting like pretty dry. But since I've been using this, I haven't had to do so. Still kind of testing it out because I've only used it 3 times, but so far I recommend. I think it's pretty good. They also gave me a coupon code to get to you guys, so if you're interested in checking them out, I'd say it's worth a try. Check out other reviews too, because other people might have, you know, different opinions for different skin types and all that stuff, but I have super dry skin right now. So also, one thing that I forgot to mention about Mix Easy is the fact that the company gives you like a base formula. So if you have normal skin, you choose normal, oily, or dry. I chose dry for obvious reasons. And then from there, you can choose individualized ingredients that you feel like will benefit your skin. So if you guys want me to list my formula that I personally use, I'll put that in the description box, or you can just like go ahead and look at the formula and kind of choose like what you think would work best for your skin. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, icy. Haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on the white. Cabrón, que a ti no te va a pasar la boca. Que mi tele y Valenciaga me reciben en la entrada. Pa, pa. honestly do not feel like doing my hair. I feel like I just did a lot of work. And I was gonna curl it, but I don't feel like it. And I'm hungry, so I'm gonna get food. Alright guys, so I'm just going to end this right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not going to do anything else but sit here and watch Netflix and be on my phone and Instagram. So I thought I was going to take pictures today, but I don't feel like it. I'm just going to watch Netflix and just chill. So if you guys want to see more videos from me, make sure you subscribe down below and leave me a comment letting me know what you thought about this video. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see more types of videos like this from me, definitely leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!